Listen to that crunch. Sweet, spicy, sticky, and unbelievably crispy. Hello food lovers, and welcome to aRezipi. Today, we are taking a trip to Seoul to make the ultimate Korean spicy fried chicken. Before we start frying, let's look at our beautiful ingredients. You will need 1 kilogram of fresh chicken drummettes. For our perfect crunch, we have 1 cup of potato starch, seasoned with salt, black pepper, garlic, and fresh ginger. And for that addictive Korean glaze, we are using butter, soy sauce, ketchup, honey, and the star of the show, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, a traditional Korean chili paste. Don't forget some toasted sesame seeds and green onions for garnish. First things first, preparation. Make sure to pat your chicken completely dry with a paper towel. Why? Because moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Now, season it with our ginger. The ginger removes any unwanted smell and adds a fresh kick. Garlic. Salt. Black pepper. Next, toss the drummettes in the potato starch until every single piece is perfectly coated. Potato starch is the absolute secret to that authentic, glass-like crunch. Shake off the excess, or your oil will become a messy powder soup. Heat your oil to 160 degrees Celsius. Carefully drop the chicken in, one by one. Don't crowd the pan, or the temperature will drop. We are going to fry these for about 5 to 6 minutes until they are a pale blonde color. Once they are fully cooked inside, take them out and let them rest on a wire rack. Yes, I said rest. The magic is about to happen. While the chicken takes a little nap, let's make that addictive sauce. In a new pan, melt your butter and let the minced garlic sizzle. Now, add the gochujang. Soy sauce. Ketchup for a little tang. And honey for that beautiful sticky glaze. Keep stirring until it bubbles and thickens slightly. If you want it sweeter, add a little more honey. You are the boss of your own kitchen. All right, back to the chicken. Here is the ultimate secret to Korean fried chicken: the double fry. Turn the heat up higher this time. Drop the rested chicken back into the hot oil for another 2 to 3 minutes. The second fry drives out the remaining moisture from the skin, giving you an extreme crunch. Look at that golden perfection. Listen to this. Now, the grand finale. Toss those crispy wings into our warm sauce until every piece is beautifully coated. Garnish with toasted sesame seeds and fresh green onions. Just a quick warning, do not wear a white shirt while eating this. It is messy, and it is totally worth it. If you loved this recipe, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next delicious episode.